How's it going, everybody? We're out here again at Rust Gold Coffee. We've got Jake here and this super rad Volkswagen bus. He's going to give us a little bit of a rundown on it, Jake. If you want to give us just the year, what it is, and then maybe a couple special things, definitely in Volkswagen, what you've done to the engine, everything like that.
Yeah, absolutely. This bus came out of Wilmington, North Carolina, and it's a rare 67 sliding door option bus, which you don't see very many of. And a local friend of mine here in Albuquerque bought it from another friend of mine in the VW network across the country, and it was brought to our shop in Charlotte called Monkey Nut, and we went through the whole bus. It was kind of a basket case, and it turned out four-wheel disc brakes, Porsche disc brakes all the way around, lowered, big 2.2 liter engine, and then some paint blending, and a lot of every rubber seal in this thing was original. So the bus was a survivor for sure. It sat behind a house in Wilmington, North Carolina for 30 plus years, rumored to be an old church bus. And so it needed kind of everything, but was surprisingly solid for that part of the country. So the whole roof was rusted out, basically. And one of the big things we did is finish the roof and paint blend it and distress it so that when you're standing looking at the bus, it looks original.
Yeah, sure does.
The metal's original, but it all looked like
a lot of the surface rust and stuff bubbling. Yeah, okay.
Yep.
Wow, no, it does. You did a great job on the blending, that's for sure. I mean, me being 6'3", I could see it easily, but it looks great. Like, I would never, walking up to it, even expect that you did that. So good job on the blending.
I appreciate
sure. That's
it.
always a good, kind of like a talent to have on, is being able to blend patina.
Yeah.
I was also looking at the interior. Did you guys redo the seats or anything, or is those or at least new old stuff? Or
Right. The door panels are all original in the bus.
Okay.
And TMI, a company out in California, makes these covers to match. So the seats have all been recovered. Yep.
Okay, and they match perfectly to the doors. So awesome.
Yeah, and our guy did a headliner, so the full headliner has been redone and the whole bus,
wow,
which really turned out nice.
Yeah, no, so it's a great, just good cruising one. Not too nice to feel bad about out driving it around and stuff.
That's right, yeah. Don't keep this one in the garage. Drive it.
Sweet. Well, no, we appreciate you coming by and letting us stop you for a minute before you go drop this off and letting us check it out.
Absolutely.
So appreciate that again. Hope to see you around.
Yep, thank you for your time.